Word Bird makes words with dog by Belk Moncure, illustrated by McEwan. One morning, Word Bird said, "I can make word puzzles all by myself." Word Bird put D with og. What did Word Bird make? Dog. Just then, Dog came over to play. "Hi, Dog. I can make word puzzles too," said Dog. Dog put F with rock. F with rock. What did Dog make? Frog. "Let's go to the pond and see frogs," said Dog. But there were no frogs in the pond. "Look," said Word Bird, "there are pollywogs in the pond. Someday the pollywogs will become frogs." "What can we do now?" asked Dog. Word Bird put J with og. What did Word Bird make? Og. Jog. "Let's jog around the pond," said Dog. So they did. Then they sat on a log. "What can we do now?" asked Dog. Word Bird made another word. Word Bird put B with ox. What did Word Bird make? B, ox. Box. Then Dog made a word. Dog put F with ox. What word did Dog make? F, ox. F, ox. Fox. "Let's get a fox and put it in my box," said Dog. But they could not find a fox. They found an ox, and an ostrich. And they found an otter. "The foxes are hiding," said Dog. Word Bird made another word. Word Bird put R with ox. "Guess the word," said Word Bird. R with ox. "Rocks," said Dog. "Let's go back to the pond. Maybe a fox is hiding behind the rocks." Dog looked behind the rocks. There was a fox. Fox ran up and down the rocks. Dog could not catch fox. Dog could not put fox in the box. "What can we do now?" asked Dog. Word Bird put bl with ox. "What is the word?" asked Word Bird. "Blocks," said Dog. "Let's build something with blocks," Word Bird said. They built a doghouse out of blocks. Then they built a boat dock out of blocks. Suddenly, they heard pop, pop, pop. "What was that?" asked Dog. They hopped into the kitchen. Mama was making something in a pot. "Popcorn," said Word Bird. "Hot popcorn," said Dog. After they ate all the popcorn, they were about to pop. You can read more word puzzles with Word Bird. Lock, lock, sock, sock, up, top, og, hog, clock, clock, long, long, stop, stop. Og, og, fog. Song, song, song. Now you can make some word puzzles.
Thanks for joining us, guys. And remember that AM and PM story time is for any time of the day, whether you're just waking up, noontime snacking, or bedtime is happening. Stop by and enjoy a book with us.